Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you all are well by the infinite grace of Allah. Hi, I am Abdullah Al Noman from Daffodil International University. This video resume highlights my SEED. SEED means skill, strength, education, achievement, experience, and teamwork. I am highly skilled and versatile web developer with a passion for creating dynamic and visually appealing website. My expertise extends across a wide range of technologies such as WordPress expertise, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript mastery, React.js development, Node.js backend development, MongoDB database management, frontend design with Figma, version control in Git, familiarly with GitHub for efficient code management and collaboration, a strong analytical and problem-solving skill to address complex issues, continuous learning and adaptability, communication and team collaboration. My skill and strength as a web developer make me a valuable asset for creating innovative and efficient web solution. Whether it's WordPress customization, front-end development, or backend architecture, I bring a comprehensive skill set to deliver high-quality results. I am studying Bachelor's in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. Also, Alhamdulillah, I completed my Hifzul Quran in 2012 from Darul Mukarram Madrasa. Also, I have completed some online and offline courses such as completed the basic fundamental concept of digital marketing course offered by Google. Also, I enrolled as a student in the 9th batch of Programming Hero. I also engaged in continuous learning through a reputable online platform including Khalid Farhan Academy, Udemy, Guri Learning, eLearn Bangladesh, simplylearn.com, and 10 Minute School. And I have extensive experience as a developer, having served as a staff reporter at shadinKhabar.com from 2017 to 2020. As a patrol leader, I actively participated in the SSR Scout group from 2016 to 2019. Currently, I contributing my skill to the Mount Ride Limited and Ummatul Mu'minin Madrasa since 2020, demonstrating a consistent commitment to both my professional and community roles. I have successfully contributed to collaborative projects, adapting to agile methodologies and ensuring seamless cross-functional collaboration. Proficient in communication tools, leadership role in projects showcase my ability to guide and motivate team members, emphasizing a commitment to clear communication, conflict resolution, and continuous improvement. Thank you for watching and look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your organization. And last one thing, I believe that success will come if I work hard and stick at that job with love. Thank you.